GE Healthcare, we always seek new technologies and methods that help us enhance our surgical capabilities, okay? So of the 206 bones in the body, more than half are in the hands and feet. Visualizing the fine bone details such as hairline fractures matter for surgeons. So we would like to unveil our new MiniView C-arm that is used for that, especially surgeries.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Yeah, this is the MiniView C-arm from GE. The MiniView enables greater clinical image confidence by providing the largest displayed image and the highest displayed resolution flat panels. Intended for limb extremities surgeries, the OEC Elite MiniView C-arm enables smooth movements so surgeons can maneuver the C-arm single-handedly without the need of any help. The Mini C-arm also includes an exclusive new feature that enables surgeons to automatically lock the C-arm in place with the touch of one button, thus helping to eliminate drift concerns. Our MiniView C-arm is designed to help surgeons visualize finer details during surgical imaging and easier for surgeon to maneuver in position. The feature of the new Mini C-arm focus on enhancing surgeons' experience by enabling confidence and minimize C-arm positioning struggles during surgery. In GE, we have a process for development new offerings called FastWorks. Think about how a startup approaches a problem. Successful entrepreneurs test solutions, develop prototypes, and adapt along the way. FastWorks isn't about being fast or simple. It's a rigorous process where a lot of time is spent on customer discovery and understanding what you need and value. The idea is to test and learn and then make changes based on this input. After so many external and internal discussions, we came up with a new service offering that can meet all the requirements. From now on, all our customers will be able to have a 5-year warranty when purchasing our surgery equipment. This would give them peace of mind and increase the uptime of the systems. They would diagnose more patients with less downtime during the lifetime of the equipment. So let me close by assuring that in GE, our patients and customers are always our priority. We are working hard on improving lives in moments that matter. Thanks and have a nice day.